Hi, my name is Frank Gucciardo. I'm the owner of Frangeli Consulting and Design. At Frangeli, we concern ourselves with your safety, maximizing your independence, facilitating proper caregiving, and improving your overall quality of life. One of the most common things we hear at Frangeli is, how do I safely take a shower when it's such a struggle to get into and out of my bathtub? I don't have a big budget, and I don't have a lot of time to renovate. What am I going to do? Well, we have designed a semi-custom solution that we call the transition shower, which provides a safe and convenient way for you to meet your bathing needs. If you're able to walk and can stand up from a seated position with little to no assistance, yet may require minimal help with shower setup, then the transition shower might just be the perfect fit for you. Now, if you require a fair amount of help to stand, or maybe you use a wheelchair as your primary means of getting around, then the transition shower would not be an appropriate solution. Our semi-custom shower design will transform your existing bathtub into a shower stall with some very unique features that center around keeping you safe and maximizing your independence. Our goal is to allow you to bathe safely with confidence. The transition shower utilizes your existing bathtub, which is completed in one day. It minimizes disruption of having contractors working in your home for an extended period of time. The transition shower is installed at about half the cost of removing your tub and replacing it with a shower stall. It's also worth noting that when you undertake a full renovation, you may expose hidden problems that may increase your costs. Well, we've designed the transition shower in a way that keeps those variables to a minimum, thereby controlling costs. And since the process may be difficult to visualize, let me explain it to you and show you what the finished product will look like and how it works. If you currently have shower doors, the installer will remove them prior to installation, and the use of shower curtains will be necessary. First, a fully trained installer who is licensed and insured will cut out a section of your existing bathtub, creating an opening 20 inches wide with a step approximately 4 to 5 inches off the floor, which prevents the water from coming out onto it. He'll then install a specialized bracketing system in the opening and custom fit 3 panels of corian to the exact profile of your bathtub, matching any decorative shapes that may exist. These panels are then permanently bonded to the bracketing system. The area where the new panels meet the existing tub are then sanded down, polished, and painted, which creates a watertight, factory finished appearance. In the end, you're left with an opening that will now allow for easy access into your tub. The next component of the transition shower is a unique seat that gives you a safe place to sit once you've entered the tub. Based upon the bathroom configuration, we employ 2 different seat types that have 3 specific properties. First, they sit high enough off the floor, comparable to a comfort height toilet, which makes standing much easier. Second, they're either equipped with sturdy legs, allowing the client's weight to be transferred directly to the tub floor, or rest directly on the tub itself. And third, since the seat is mounted to the wall, it allows you to enter the tub unencumbered. Many aftermarket benches that straddle the tub encroach upon the new opening, and the outside legs funnel water into the floor. Simply put, that is dangerous and should be avoided if possible. An added bonus is that when not in use, it folds up and out of the way, allowing others to use the same space. The final component to the transition shower is a very unique grab bar that is P-shaped and rotates away from the wall, safely locks into place, providing support when entering the tub. This patented interlocking system allows the bar to move and safely adapt to your particular need. Traditional grab bars that are installed on the back wall force you to lean into the tub. This displacement of your center of gravity places you at greater risk for falling. When the P-shaped bar is sticking out, it easily is reached and allows you to safely enter the tub. Also, for those who have lost the use of one arm due to a stroke or some other event, the P-shaped bar sticking out allows the stronger arm to always be engaged in the transfer into and out of the tub. This ensures a safe bathing experience regardless of what your needs may be. So, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We know that anyone watching either has a real need because of a health issue or has a loved one who's been impacted. Our goal at Frangeli is to serve our clients in their time of need with professionalism and a dedication to excellence. Please watch our other videos related to the transition shower and feel free to call the office if you have any questions. we'd love to help.